I'm putting you across a situation wherein you are to host a NCC camp, but your colleagues happen to be absent, and you have all the kids have turned up. There are 49 kids. So you have decided that it's not practical for me to do NCC for all of them at one go, the activity. So what you do is you ask half of them to go away. But the thing is, you don't know the roll numbers, you don't know the names and stuff like that. You don't have the data sheet. Your colleague has it, and that person has not come. So you either have to send the first half or the second half. Doesn't matter whichever half you send. Right? You don't know the roll number, but the kids know their roll number. What will you do? How will you handle this situation? If you announce it that the first half of the roll numbers, please go away. First of all, you don't know how many people are there. Sitting and counting on that is not practical because right? Everyone is scattered around and all of that. So how will you handle the situation? You can't just let people go away, and kids. I mean, you guys know yourself. If someone tells half the people go away, then pretty much everyone will go away. Only some 10% will be left out. So pause and think. How will you handle this situation? Well, since the kids know their roll number, you can make them stand either in 1 to 49 or 49 to 1. Right? With this, and ask them to announce their numbers, roll numbers. So NCC, they don't do shitty activities or shitty things. If they do, they know they'll get harsh punishment. So they don't do all of that. They'll stand and they will announce their roll numbers, either in ascending order, if not descending order. So there is this middle person. Obviously there are 49 members. So 49 plus 1 by 2, 25th person. Either ways, he will be 25th. He or she will be 25th. So this person, what you can do is you can ask the left set of people to go away, if not right set of people to go away and come back later. But point is, this person will be the middle person. And how we got it? By arranging things. So arranging is the way to go about handling this situation. Right? That's the solution. So either by arranging in ascending order, if not descending order. Same idea, we have one more scenario. You had announced that you're going on a camp and kids come down. But the thing is, there were 10 kids who had no extra pair of clothes, because it is a camp and you need extra pair of clothes for next few days. And there were 2 kids, they told we just have one. 20 kids, they told they have 2 pair. 6 kids told they have 3 pair, and 3 kids told they have 4 pair. Right? So now you have to find out where this middle person is, so that you can decide on middle group is, so that you can decide on which set of people to send away. Should you send away people who don't have any, or 1 pair or 2 pair? Just take this group. So basically you want to take kind of half, not maybe exactly half, but you want to take kind of half. So how will you handle this situation? You have, of course you can't take everyone, and one more thing is you want to take kind of half number of people, not too much, not too less, because again you're the only person, and there are say 2 people, and you guys can't handle whole lot of people, right? It's tough. So what to do? Again, we can ask them to stand in particular order. You can ask them, people who don't have any extra clothes, stand in a line, and then call out the people who have one pair of cloth. This is a group. This is the second pair of, 2 pair of cloth people, 3 pair of cloth people, 4 pair of cloth people. 4, pair only, right? So then you'll ask them to call out 1, 2, 3, 4. So in NCC, you guys do that now, calling out numbers 0 to 10. So this person will be 11, and this last person, right, he's from this group. Okay, so my question is, what number will he call out? He or she will call out. The person might call out, not might, will call out how many, what number? See, there are 10 people over here, 12 people over here, 20 people, 6 people and 3. So this person will call out what number? 22. Reason? There are already 10 and this person is 11. So obviously 10 plus 12 is 22. This person will call out 23 and this last person will call out 22 plus 20, that is 42. This is 43. This person will call out 42 plus 6, 48, 49, 50 and 51. So we got to know that there are 51 kids, and now we'll be like, okay, let's divide with 2, that's around 25.5. So obviously 23rd, 24, 25. So somewhere over here. So basically you end up with this or this next kid, doesn't matter. You tell, okay, so the middle person has 2 close. Obviously we can't send the entire group away, right? He's a middle person, so you'll tell, 50%ish is okay. So you'll send these people away. You tell go home, and you have the rest of the people who will join you guys for the camp, right? So what did you do? How did you decide? We started grouping them. We started telling that, okay, 0 number of people, there are 10. 0 to 1 number of clothed people, there are 22, right? 0 to 0 to 2 pairs of clothes people, there are 42. How did I get that? 12 plus 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. See, we got the same number as this set of numbers. 10, 22, end of the group, right? The last person in the group, they're numbered with this set of numbers. And once you know this, finding the middle person, that is 25th person. Obviously, he or she is not in this group because there are 22 people. So 23rd to 42nd person are in this group, is it not? So obviously, this is your group that matters. This is the middle group. So we'll call it as median group, median class. These are classes now, right? So this is how cumulative frequency helps in finding out the median. Once you find the median class, we'll use a formula to find the median. Okay, so this is the basic idea of cumulative frequency. That is, you keep on adding the frequency. That's why it's called as cumulative frequency. You're accumulating the frequency. 0, right? 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, 0 to 4. The first group people, first and second group people, first and second and third group people, first to fourth group people, first to fifth group people, right? So that's how you add up. You find the last number, divide by 2, and with that in mind, you check for where that person might be, which group that person might be. That is your median class. Once you have the median class, it's just a matter of substituting things in formulas and finding the median.